What if the love of your life has already been with you all along? What if the search for your soulmate isn't a quest across cities, continents, or dating apps, but a quiet remembering of something your soul already knows? Rumi once wrote, "The minute I heard my first love story, I started looking for you, not knowing how blind that was." Lovers don't finally meet somewhere. They're in each other all along. It's not just poetry. It's a profound revelation about love, soul connections, and the eternal mystery of human relationships. In a world where we are constantly told to find love, Rumi dares to tell us that maybe, just maybe, we are love. That lovers aren't found. They are recognized. Welcome to the unfolding journey, where we dive deep into timeless wisdom, human connection, and the stories that shape our lives. Whether you believe in soulmates, destiny, or are simply exploring the nature of love, this space is for you. If you're new here, make yourself at home. We go beyond surface conversations to unfold the truths that have echoed through history. Now, let's unravel this powerful line by Rumi and explore what it teaches us about relationships, love, and the deep yearning that seems to be etched into the human soul. The minute I heard my first love story, I started looking for you. From childhood, we're fed stories that shape our expectations of love. Fairy tales, rom-coms, and novels teach us that love is something to chase, something just beyond the next corner. We internalize the idea that we are incomplete until we find the one, a mythical person who will rescue us from our loneliness, heal our wounds, and make life finally make sense. But Rumi pauses us right there. He speaks not as a romantic, but as a mystic. When he says, "I started looking for you," it's with a deep self-awareness, an acknowledgement that he too got caught up in the illusion of the chase. That moment when we first hear a love story, we begin seeking something external to complete us. And yet, he calls that search blindness, not knowing how blind that was. Lovers don't finally meet somewhere. They're in each other all along. This is the heart of Rumi's teaching. True love is not a destination. It's not an achievement unlocked after swiping right 1,000 times. It's not even a reward for being a better version of yourself. It's something ancient, something already within you. You don't meet your soulmate the way you meet a stranger on a street. You recognize them, often inexplicably. This is why people speak of déjà vu in love. Why someone can walk into your life and feel like a return instead of a beginning. Why we say things like, "It feels like I've known you forever." Rumi points to this mysterious knowing that soulmates don't happen to us. They awaken within us. To understand Rumi's words fully, we need to look at love from the Sufi lens. In Sufism, love is not transactional. It's divine. It's the energy that connects all of creation. The beloved is not merely a person. It's a mirror reflecting the divine within. When Rumi speaks of lovers being in each other all along, he's pointing to a spiritual truth. That love is a remembering, a reunification, not of bodies, but of souls. In this context, your search for love isn't really about finding another. It's about becoming more yourself. Because in doing so, you become capable of seeing the other clearly. Rumi believed that every meeting is a reunion. Every great love story is a return to the self. Now, let's talk psychology. Because Rumi's insight isn't just mystical, it echoes in modern relational science. Carl Jung spoke of the anima and animus, the inner masculine and feminine energies we all carry. He believed we are constantly projecting our inner selves onto others, especially in romantic relationships. When we fall in love, what if we're falling into our own unconscious depths? What if the you Rumi was searching for wasn't just another person, but a part of himself that he had yet to meet? Love, then, becomes a mirror. We don't just love people, we love what they awaken in us, the way they bring us back to our own soul. The term soulmate is overused, but its origin is powerful. Plato spoke of humans as once being whole, two souls split apart by the gods. Ever since, we've been yearning for that other half. Is it mythology? Sure. But it holds psychological and spiritual truth. Many people experience this, a relationship that defies logic, time, or reason. Where the connection isn't built, it simply is. Soulmates don't mean perfect compatibility. Often, they're the people who challenge us the most.
Why?
Because they are not here to complete us, but to awaken us. Rumi believed in divine timing. He taught that love doesn't obey the rules of the mind. It unfolds when it's ready, not when we demand it. This line, "They're in each other all along," suggests that what is meant for you will not pass you by. That if a soul is meant to touch yours, it already has. Even if you haven't met yet, even if life pulls you in different directions. Some connections are written in the stars, but lived in the everyday. Destiny doesn't always look magical, it often looks ordinary, but you feel it in your bones. So, what if love isn't a story that begins when we meet someone? What if it's a story we've been writing in our hearts all along? What if our longing isn't for another person, but for a part of our soul we've forgotten? Rumi's words invite us to stop chasing and start listening. To look not outwards, but inwards. Because the love you are looking for may not be far away. It may not even be in the future. It may already be within you, whispering, waiting, unfolding. Let's return to Rumi's quote one more time. "The minute I heard my first love story, I started looking for you, not knowing how blind that was." Lovers don't finally meet somewhere. They're in each other all along. It's not a call to stop seeking, but it's a reminder that seeking only has value when it leads us back to truth. Love is not always found. Sometimes it's remembered. Sometimes it's recognized. And sometimes it's been quietly with us the entire time, waiting for us to see clearly. If this resonated with you, if you've ever felt like love is more than coincidence, more than chemistry, then this journey is yours too. Subscribe to The Unfolding Journey for more soulful explorations, timeless wisdom, and conversations that go beyond the ordinary. Your journey of love, purpose, and presence is already unfolding. Let's walk it together.